Hi guys, this is Jason with Jason's Trucking Info, and this video is all about the other duties a truck driver has to do, like sweeping out your trailer, and sometimes that's going to be at night in the dark, and you're going to need a flashlight and a broom and possibly maybe some music if you want to wear your iPods or MP3 player or whatever, or put some music on your phone or whatever you got to do. But um, take about 20 to 30 minutes depending on who you are, maybe longer, maybe less, and get up there and sweep out your trailer if it is sweepable. Sometimes you'll have to do a trailer washout in order to get your trailer clean enough, but here's how I did it, and here is the right way to go about it. Here to TA real quick here in Pennsylvania. I just got in Pennsylvania, and I got my tripod, got my camera, and got my broom. And this is all I got for a broom, is this house broom. So that's what I got. We gotta go sweep out this trailer. So I'm gonna show you how to do this the right way. Hopefully I got enough room back there, because I was hoping to do this at like a rest area or something, but I'm gonna run out of time before I get to the place where I gotta swap trailers at, and I don't want to leave the other driver with a dirty trailer. So we're gonna do this now, and I'm gonna try to show you guys how to do this. So I got my coat on, so yeah, we're gonna try to do this, and it's the middle of the night, so we're gonna try to do this quietly within the realm of reason. So let me get this coat on and we'll get out here. Alright, you gotta be real careful when getting up into these trailers. Luckily this has a lot more places to hold on to than you normally would. Got an extra step right there, and the other door to hold on to. So let's get up in here. This video would do a lot easier to do in the daytime, but it's nighttime. This is pretty much what you got to deal with. We want to come in here and sweep out all this stuff. Got this cut off seal, all this paper. We want to sweep this all to the end of the trailer. So I don't know how well the video is going to do on this because it's dark out. but trailer looks really good. It's got this pile here. Just got to find a little trash bag and throw that in the trash. Don't just the dirt stuff just sweep out of the ground, but all that pieces of wood and chunks and pieces of plastic and stuff, make sure you're throwing that away. Don't just sweep them off onto the ground. And also check in here. You want to check your sleeves, make sure that they're okay. Looks like there's two going along the two sides here. Check for damage and stuff while you're in here. Everything looks good. Double check your floor, make sure you didn't miss anything. Little pieces of label and stuff like that I'm not worried about. But this stuff I need to find a little baggie for, and the rest of it's fine. I just gotta find a little baggie for that little part on the end there. Alright, all this stuff that I swept to the back of the trailer, make sure that you take and put it in a bag and then throw it away. Alright, there we go. So I did this at night, and I know the filming wasn't very good because it was night, but you're going to have to do this sometimes, even if all you have is a house broom. So make sure you're doing it. Sweeping out your trailers. Alright guys, it only took 36 minutes. That's how long it took me. That was with filming, 37. So I got my half-hour break in. I'm gonna get back rolling now. But that's my half-hour break. That's what you got to do, guys. Even if all you have is a house broom, you need to get out there and sweep your trailers out. It would have gone a lot faster if I would have had a wide broom, definitely. Or if any of you guys carry something that you could blow it out with, you can get those battery powered blowouts, which that would have been nice. I have one at home, which that would be nice. I could bring that out, then I'd have to stop and somewhere where I'm not going to disturb a bunch of truckers in a truck stop. But I pulled up in this TA. It is a busy TA. I stuck my nose out a little bit. I didn't realize I could have backed up so much further, but it's all good. I'm gonna take off here and get back to rolling. But just wanted to show you guys, that's one of the things you're gonna have to do, is get even at night, because I'm gonna be to let's see, two and a half hours, 2 hours and 34 minutes. I'll be to where I'm gonna swap trailers with this other guy at a Kenworth in New Stanton, Pennsylvania. So I wanted to make sure I didn't bring him a dirty trailer, him or her. All right, I gotta get rolling. Thanks guys, I thought I'd share that with you. Those are the things you gotta do.